Okay, student, now we will solve some problem based on derivative of logarithmic function. See, student, here suppose we have given such type of form just like this: fx y is equal to fx to the power gx, or y something in fx into gx, or y is equal to fx upon gx. What I mean here, if we have given some function in exponent, or some function in product of two function, or some function in quotient form, then we always try to differentiate such type of function with respect to x using logarithmic method, and such type of differentiation is called logarithmic differentiation. So we will see, using logarithmic differentiation we will try to solve these two questions here. See here, first question is given as if e to the power x plus y is equal to this xy, then we have to prove dy by dx is equal to y upon x into 1 minus x upon y minus 1. See here, we can actually differentiate this with respect to x directly using the normal method, but using, since here exponent is given, so we can apply logarithmic differentiation. So how will apply that process? Let's see here. First of all, since exponent x plus y is given here, so we will take the log both side. Taking log both side, we get here, what we get? X plus y into log e. Okay, because log e to the power x plus y is equal to x plus y will come ahead, and we will get log e is equal to log xy. Now this implies that x plus y, and log is always 1, so x plus y is equal to log xy. Now differentiate both sides with respect to s. It is very easy. So differentiating both sides with respect to s, we will get derivative of x with respect to s is always 1. We will get here dy by dx is equal to log of derivative of log xy is always equal to, means derivative of log something is equal to 1 upon xy, using property and using chain rule, log derivative of xy. So log derivative of xy is y plus x dy by dx. Okay, now taking same common terms together, like terms together, here is dy by dx and here is dy by dx. So we will get here 1. If we'll shift this to the right side, we will get here dy by dx 1 minus, and multiplying this inside, we will get here 1 upon xy. Okay, also we will get here x, since this will be multiplied with this term, so we will get a 1 upon xy into dy by dx, x upon dy by dx, and here is 1. And shifting this 1 to the right side, we will get here y upon xy minus 1. So this x will be cancelled out by this x. We will get here dy by dx is equal to into y minus, actually we need here y minus 1 upon y is equal to, this y will be cancelled out, this we will get here 1 minus x upon x. This implies dy by dx is equal to, this will goes to the right side, we will get here y upon x 1 minus x upon y minus 1. That is the required proof we got here using logarithmic differentiation. Okay students, now come to the second solution here. Solution fifth. What is this? Y is equal to under root this whole, and then we have to find out dy by dx. Since here is radical sign and this is in quotient form, and how many product are there? This is in the product form. So to differentiate this with respect to it, yes, we have to use logarithmic differentiation for easy calculation. So let me take first of all log here, log y is equal to, since whole power is under root means half, so power will come ahead half log of this upon this means log of numerator upon denominator. We will get this. So here we will get log y is equal to half log of, okay, log of this numerator upon denominator means log of numerator plus log of minus log of denominator. So we will get here log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This we will get, student, using the properties of logarithmic function. Okay, now we will get here log y is equal to, or simply you can differentiate this directly now. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get here log derivative of log something is equal to 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to half multiply means derivative of this log x minus 3 means 1 upon x minus 3, and using chain rule derivative of x minus 3 is 1, okay, plus derivative of this x square plus 4 log of this will be 1 upon x square plus 4, and derivative of x square plus 4 will be equal to 2x. Similarly derivative of this is minus 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 multiplied by derivative of this will be 6x plus 4. This will be the answer. Means now dy by dx is equal to y upon 2. This y will go here, and here we will get 1 upon x minus 3 plus 2x upon x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This will get. Now student, at the last what you have to do, you have to change, replace this y with original value here. And what is that? That is given here. Where is the question? This one. This is the original value. So in place of y you will put here simply under root x minus 3 x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5, okay, and rest of the things will remain same upon 2, and inside the same we will get here, and this is the required answer. In this way you can use logarithmic differentiation to solve different kind of functions. Okay, just do the more practice at your home. This may be asked in your exam because this is a little different type of log derivative. Okay, thank you.